Okay, welcome back. So we're talking about if statements. So I thought I'd revisit the calculator because remember our calculator we only had plus, we could add two numbers. So we'd like to be able to choose what operation we're going to use in a calculator, which makes it obviously way more functional. So I have up here I have my first variable, which we'll call num1. And again, it's going to have to be a float because we want to put in numbers that are not just whole numbers. And then we take some input, which we've done a lot. So input, please enter your first number. Then I have a second variable, which is OP for operator. So then I say, please enter your operator. And next, I'm going to have num2, which is the second number. And I'm going to say, it's also a float. I want to take input, and I say, please enter your second number. Okay. So then our first line is going to be if OP, and this is kind of interesting, the double equal sign. The double equal sign means it's going to compare two things. So it means that whatever the person enters as their operator, is it equal to the plus sign? Yes or no? So if it is, then we want to do something that says print num1 plus num2, because they've said add the two together. And then we're going to just keep following that same pattern. So if else operator is the minus sign, then subtract the second number from the first number. If it is, then we can keep going. If it's not, then we'll move on to division. Divide the first number by the second number. And then the next one is what happens if it's multiplication, multiply the two numbers together. So, fingers crossed, let's try this out. See what happens. So let's run this. Please enter your first number, 22. Please enter your operator, plus. Please enter your second number, so fingers crossed that we get 33. Hey, there's a win. Okay, let's just try that one more time to confirm that we can do a different. Enter your first number. Oh, I did it again. Got to make sure my cursor's here. First number 22. Multiplication. Second number 33. And I can't do that in my head, but obviously I think it worked. Okay, so another question. I'm going to just silence my phone. I apologize for that. The next question is, hey, let's try this. So let's run it again. Let's enter 22. And let's enter $sign. Enter my second number, and it doesn't know what to do. So we need something that says, hey, this isn't the right answer. So let's put in an else statement, and then we'll say else okay, we just said, sorry, that is not an operator that we understand. Now I am missing a colon. So let's clear this and try it again. Enter your first number, 22. Enter $sign. Enter 11. Sorry, that is not an operator we understand. Okay, so pretty simple. Great example of if, else. And else. So I want you to create your own calculator using this and maybe try to add another example. Okay, that's it. Good luck.